Imagine rewriting the entire textbook of life as we know it. That's precisely what the discovery of a brand new organism could mean. For years, it was hiding right under our noses, and its existence is shaking up our understanding of evolution. Biologists rarely get to announce the discovery of an entirely new branch on the tree of life. This time, though, they have, and the story of how it was found is almost as incredible as the creature itself. The microscopic marvel was lurking in a lab sample of marine ciliates, tiny, single-celled organisms known for their hair-like structures, collected from Croatian waters back in 2011. Ironically, it wasn't until the ciliates unexpectedly died that scientists noticed this previously unseen organism, which they've named Solarion arienae. According to protistologists Ivan Šepička and Marek Valt from Charles University in the Czech Republic, the lead authors of the study, this organism allows us to look into a very ancient chapter of cellular evolution that we previously could reconstruct only indirectly. Think of it like finding a missing page from a history book that fills in crucial details we could only guess at before. The cells of Solarion are tiny and only slightly motile, and we overlooked them in the ciliate culture for several years. Given that we missed Solarion even in our long-term laboratory culture, it would probably go unnoticed in natural samples, the research team wrote. This highlights a crucial point: how much more microbial life is out there, still undiscovered, simply because it's too small or too well hidden. This organism's sun-like shape is captivating, but what's inside is even more remarkable. Solarion is a single-celled eukaryote, meaning it has a membrane-bound nucleus containing DNA, just like our own cells. It also possesses mitochondria, those vital powerhouses of the cell that convert fats and carbohydrates into usable chemical energy. And this is the part most people miss. Mitochondria weren't always part of our cells. Scientists believe they were once independent bacteria that were engulfed by another cell in a process called endosymbiosis. Over eons, they became an integral part of the host cell, losing much of their original genetic material in the process. The team's analysis showed that Solarion doesn't fit into any existing category of eukaryotes. Instead, this lonely little sun shares a newly defined phylum with another unusual protist, Meteora sporadica. This phylum is further nested within a newly established kingdom shared only with the distantly related protists, Provera and Hemimastigophora, showcasing a unique evolutionary lineage. But here's where it gets controversial. The mitochondria within Solarion are unlike anything scientists have ever seen before. They still contain genetic remnants, specifically the gene Sec-A, which was crucial for transporting proteins across the proto-mitochondria's membrane when it was a free-living bacterium. In most eukaryotes, this genetic trace is virtually gone or heavily modified. Solarion's mitochondria, therefore, provide a clearer window into the past, offering direct evidence of the endosymbiotic event that gave rise to these essential cellular components. This discovery strongly supports the endosymbiont theory of mitochondrial origin. It provides unprecedented insight into how the last common ancestors of eukaryotes may have interacted before merging into a single, complex cell. It's like finding a perfectly preserved fossil that confirms a long-held scientific hypothesis. Solarion is a remarkable reminder of how little we still know about the diversity of microbial life, Šepička and Valt emphasized. The discovery of such an evolutionarily deep lineage, essentially a living fossil, shows that key parts of the eukaryotic story remain hidden in places we rarely explore. The implications of this discovery are vast. It forces us to reconsider our understanding of eukaryotic evolution and highlights the immense diversity of microbial life that remains to be discovered. Could there be other entirely new branches of life hiding in plain sight, waiting to be found? What other secrets are locked within these microscopic organisms? Now it's your turn. Does this discovery change your perspective on the complexity of life? Do you think there are more undiscovered kingdoms out there? Share your thoughts in the comments below.